Here's another skill to add to your quiver. I don't do this all the time, and it's not my particularly favorite thing to do, but I have my bag of sheet metal working tools and my nut driver, and normally I like to use, when I use gutter adhesive, I like to use Seamer Mate. Get that at Home Depot. And the reason I like that is it works underwater. When it does dry, it dries, it shrinks, so it doesn't leave it like flattens considerably. And it smells sort of like glue, which tells me that it's gonna dry really fast. So this Metal Tech supplied me with this. This is what they say all the guys use, is GeoCell 2300, a tri-polymer sealant. I don't know what that means, but I'm going to use that, and I got the clear, and I screwed the end cap on here in two places. I put a screw at the back and a screw on the top, and I want to put this up as far as I can. So that is the limiting thing as far as the slope is concerned. If I start on the other end and I go up, 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 and I run out of up, then I'm going to have a pond. So I need to put this as high as I can, including with the screen on it. So I have two barriers to and I know that this is coming almost flush. I'm just twisting it down to fit in here to see how much clearance I need. See if this is gonna be the highest spot. I don't have much fascia to work with unless they built the house on an angle, or I'm going to cut pan flashing back, or at least like bend it up out of the way. I made a mark there. So there is a 1/16 of a bubble. I don't know how this gutter screen is gonna work. I might have to cut it around the tile at this end. This is why the guys that do the gutter work like this stuff out in the county, because they don't run into rotten fascia or tile that, you know, this side has to hang down farther than the other because of the slope, and all the things that you get into. I had to move these hangers so that they are in the bell part. Okay, so there is a slope, and now the pleasure of figuring out how to get the gutter screens in there. And that's already in, and I'm leaving this one out. Oh, I need to loosen it more so I can get that miter in. My plan. This nail is even with the bottom of this, so I can set the gutter on this, its entire length, and it'll be to the right height of this. It's also 1 inch back from this, so I'll be able to hook a tape onto that and pull a measurement off of it if I need to. I have this gutter tacked up here. I don't have that end pulled up. It's set, I don't know if can you see, It's just a tiny bit over on the bubble. And you can see the gutter runs below the fascia down there. And I've seen that done before, but originally this house did not have style K gutter. I was able to set it on the nail, and that locked this height here. It was raining. You can see it's wet everywhere. The GeoCell says the surface needs to be clean and dry. It also says you can tool it with mineral spirit. So I went to Home Depot and bought a Mera Max Seamer Made gutter seal. Excellent bond. Can be applied through standing water. Paintable. Semi-self-leveling. Single component, extremely durable, flexible tripolymer sealant that forms a watertight seal in small joints and narrow seams. Seamer Mate can be applied under most weather conditions, even through standing water. Adheres to metals, glass, vinyl, drugstone, blah blah blah. This corner I'm going to try by simply pushing up this. The first thing is I'm going to seal the factory seam. Alright. See, there's one drop of water, and now I'm not afraid. How about that? Just like you can see on those people that make YouTubes that do this a lot. See, that sticks. That's floppy. Now maybe they plan on it being this way. I like if it's pitched back or nearly flat, then stuff's gonna sit on it. I use this, what is it, Seamer Made by a Mera Max to tack the back of these gutters, and it's been overnight, and it does. Now this screen must have been up further, and it slid down. This stuff is not completely dry, but you can see how that so I'm going to tack in a couple more spots. I'm so impressed with this. And if you needed to get these out, just a little notch with the utility knife will take them out. I don't want to get too carried away here. You can see these little things from, I think that's an ailanthus tree, and that's the little seeds, and it's catching those seeds. This is the small screen Easy Lock from Metal Tech.